Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, major heat risk back into play. Now, over the weekend, we'll start another cooling trend. It'll be modest, but at least it's starting to get us out of this stretch. Longest stretches of heat that we've been tracking, 11 days for downtown Sacramento. We're going to be close to it today, but I'm going to show you. I don't think we're going to do it. But we did tie the 2-day stretch of 110-degree heat in this stretch of heat that we've been tracking since the end of June in through the beginning of July. So tracking that record, we've been 9 days over 100 degrees. High so far today, 97 for downtown Sacramento. Official word coming out in just about an hour or so. So we'll have that at 6 o'clock. Meantime, those winds still coming in at 10 to 20 miles per hour out of the southwest. Now, they are going to stay in place overnight tonight. It's just into the morning hours that they start to back off again, allowing that big ridge of high pressure to just bake us in the valley. So we're right back to a weather impact day, with the major headlines being our fire weather is going to be in play through Friday, as well as the major heat. You can see the headlines here. Dry fuels, low humidity elevate that fire risk. And then we deal with the heat illness risk as well, with temperatures near 110 Wednesday through Friday. That puts us back into the excessive heat warning throughout the valley, heat advisory across the coast, and then through the lower foothills, even through some of the upper foothills. We'll be kind of flirting with close to 100, but it's those overnight lows in the 70s to near 80 that really doesn't allow the body to get some relief from the heat during the daytime hours into the overnight hours. Our Big Mountain backyard right now, we're at 93 for Sacramento Executive. Again, that record that we're tracking is for downtown Sacramento. Stockton 97, Modesto 99, Marysville 98. At least it's nice to see these 90s up on the board instead of triple digits. Tahoe right now at 87 degrees with sunny skies. Forecast for tomorrow, we start the day off in the 60s, but we quickly warm those temperatures into the 100s during the afternoon. That peak heat typically from about 4 to 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So the heat is back under that ridge of high pressure. We have that nice little low coming into the north of us, initiating that onshore flow. That is now moving off to the north and east of us. And so now we're just sitting under that ridge of high pressure. Some weather models have us into the 100s through Saturday. So that's kind of where we're going to track the end of the 100s consistently in the forecast. 90s tomorrow for the Sierra, with 100s back throughout the foothills. We're starting to warm things up again along the coast. 70s for San Francisco, back into the 100s for Fairfield and Vacaville. And you can see it's widespread 100s back in the forecast throughout the region in the valley. So our 5-day regional forecast, we're going to call for mainly dry conditions. One thing I am tracking, though, for Saturday in the mountains, slight chance of thunderstorms. 70s back along the coast, 100s into the foothills. With the first 3 days, we have that weather impact alert back in the outlook. And then for the next 7 days, I'm going to call it the end of the weather impact alert on Friday. Now, Saturday, we're kind of flirting with that 100, but we're out of record territory, and then it's 90s after that.
It says a lot.
California weather is a land of extremes.
From dangerous heat, droughts, and wildfire,
to severe storms, flooding, and mountains of snow.
Plus, the occasional tornado.
Keeping you prepared takes a team.
we have decades of experience forecasting this diverse region.
Our job doesn't stop at the forecast.
We investigate what's happening to our climate so you can be ready.
Helping you prepare for today and stay safe tomorrow. With a weather team you can trust, only on ABC 10.
Hi, I'm Alex Bell. Join me weeknights at 6:30 on To The Point. Instead of just reporting on the problems, we cut through the noise and look for solutions. We're not afraid to investigate local stories. We're not afraid to include different perspectives. We're not afraid to hold those in power accountable. This is your community, and it's my community too, and we're here to make it better for everyone. Join me, Alex Bell, on To The Point, weeknights at 6:30, only on ABC 10.